For today's Halloween makeup, I'm finally doing Sally. Let me get my inspo picture. It took me a really long time to do it. I'm not gonna lie. I actually have never seen Nightmare Before Christmas, but this is what everyone wanted me to do. So I kept putting it off a little bit just because I was like, I don't really know Sally that well, but it's getting done. It's getting done today, and it's super easy actually. There's two ways you can do the eyes, and I'll talk about that when I get to the eyes. But yeah, let's get started. Sally's skin is blue, so you can use denim mixed with snow. If you have sapphire or light sapphire, you can use light sapphire. I always mix my ShadowSense with white concealer when I'm putting it on my face. You could also mix it with a really light foundation, and that just makes it a lot easier to apply. You don't want to have trouble applying it. And it will lighten it up a little bit, but for Sally that works because she's already light blue anyway. Now that I feel like a proper Sally color everywhere, there's a few spots where my skin's still peeking through, but for my purposes, it doesn't really matter. If you want to make sure to have full coverage, you can just keep layering it on. I'm taking EyeSense. I pretty much always use Starry Sky when I use EyeSense instead of just using straight black. I'm going to put a line across everywhere that I'm gonna stitch. So she has stitches going up and down like this. And across like this. Then across her eye, on this side of her face. And across her mouth. While I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna start working on my Sally eyes. So there's two ways you can do the eyes. You could just try to make your eyes bigger than they normally are by pulling down the white under here, or you could do the closed eye look. And I'm gonna do a closed eyed look. Her eyes are really big, so I'm gonna use pretty much the whole top of my eye right here to be my eye. It's gonna include everything up until my eyebrow, and my eyebrow is gonna kind of be like her eyelid. So I just take Snow ShadowSense to be the white in her eyes. So when my eye is closed, it's basically gonna be like my lashes are her bottom lashes. Like two huge circles, semicircles. They're a little bit ovalish. So now I'm gonna go back in with my EyeSense and do the actual stitches. They're just little X's I'm gonna do across. Sally eyes. Hopefully this is pretty dry now. I did put a lot, so it takes a little while to dry when you have that much ShadowSense on. But now I'm going to outline the eyes. I know it's kind of creepy to have two eyes, but don't worry about it. It's Halloween. I'm gonna fix this up real quick and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna take it off and re-white just underneath it. So I went back in with the black on both sides. Now I'm gonna take a darker blue. You could use Caribbean, or you could use denim, or you could mix them. And I'm gonna smudge it in as eyeshadow right around my eye, but especially in my brow. Kind of hides my eyebrow. I'm going to use Blackberry to give Sally new eyebrows. They just go across her head. And I just want 2 nose holes. Like that. This is Violette. It's a light pink. I want to make sure it's pretty small, so I'm not even going all the way out to the corners of my lips. Now I'm moving on to my clothes, and I'm not going to do anything like too serious, but I'm just going to wear regular black. But I am going to give her some clothes, some of her patchwork clothes. I have this orange side. I'm using Lava Shimmer. So orange here, and then she has a green sleeve on her orange side. So I'm going to use palm glitter
For this pink side, I'm going to use Pink Hibiscus Shimmer. And then going back with that lava shimmer for the sleeve. I'm going to take my blackberry and do the swirls in her pink side. And she has some stripes down her orange arm as well. We're going to go back in, and now we're going to stitch the clothes together with EyeSense. I could do it with blackberry too, actually, the same thing I was doing for my lines, but this was my inspo.
Thank you guys for watching my video. This is my last video. I'm posting it on Halloween, so this is the last Halloween video of the year. We still got a lot coming. Make sure you're subscribed for that. But I hope you really like this Sally. I really like it. I think it turned out exactly the way that I wanted it to be. Happy Halloween, everyone.